Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to talk about MEGL, and also we are gonna talk about hail. MEGL did break my expectation here on today trading guys, and this is starting to look like this may become a multi-day run. The way this thing had recovered back towards those $17 levels, and with the huge volume increase around that time guys, it is a very great time that this was going to push back past towards today's high really overlooked that for sure, but things are still heating up in ETL. And like I say guys, this is looking like now it may become a bolt tie date runner for sure. Okay, and I said before, god smash that but here looking at the short sale ratio that come in on Friday straight, nothing big, but we didn't get any sign or symbol for short at all since the IPO gas, but today for sure a huge short cover wave came into play for MEGL. For sure we were thinking that we were going to see those $5 level before short gave in, but they gave in early into our surprise for more followed in. And here can the continuation that we see here today. We take a brief look and check out that the 1 minute indicator here, looking at the 1 day chart. Anytime stock actually makes a dramatic move from 249 as low as 80, of course here on the day it's going to look very bullish, especially on those RSS. But if we look at the 1 minute chart, which really matter a lot guys, finishing out here with an early warning signal, all at 3 level of RSI currently overbought. We don't see the MAC dish pointing to any sign or symbol here. Currently looking here at 60 minutes early warning signal on that as well. But one thing in the LG has going for itself honestly combo, fear of missing out. We are seeing a lot of people being forced and seeing the opportunity to average down in MEGL at these price, because a lot of people do not cost average around those $180 level. Okay, so you have to see, so we have taken you consideration what is really going on her behind the scenes here. In a lot of people are saying as though this is the time to be averaged down, so they can put themselves in a situation to where they can break even or walk away with the slight gain. Here on the recovery side, it's gonna be very interesting the data that comes in on the short sale data for EGL here for today's trade, especially seeing how this stock actually stopped past $21 in aftermarket hour, and seeing that we are closed at 1770 3 most of the day. Let's check it out. Let's see here. Let's go back to the 15-minute chart. Okay guys, most of the day average cost here on today's trading was 1468, and I'm pretty sure we do have a high concentration of positions here still sitting around here on today, straight around those loads. Take a look and check out. This is the cost distribution so far. Degree overlap is only 76.47. Okay, not so shabby, but it is a looking good here for a continuation here for an EGL expectation here for Tuesday for in EGL. And I repeat guys, in EGL massive level, the size $28 on the day, and that's being the floor guys, especially if we continue to this type of volume guys. We can tell you We can tell you see this type of volume in the way that things were going getting traded here, guys. A lot of turnover, we are being turned over for a profit here for sure. In MEGL, the way the order were stacked, this thing was contained to roll out. Even though we do see a high turnover rate, people were buying and selling for short here in ETL, but people were buying in at a higher price, selling for higher price, continuing the cycle, pushing that turnover rate higher and her higher here. But in easy, although guys, like I say, we may see level is as high as $28. Okay, for tomorrow straight, a lot of people are calling for $40 here on tomorrow straight, guys. That depending on if we do see a short squeeze, depending on the position that was taken her on today trading, because one thing's for certain, we did see a huge here on today straight. And so depending on the short coverage position, the short position is taken here, and here on today's trade is going to matter a lot here tomorrow, determining how big of a for short cover we may see. So if you don't want to catch that data and catch out my thought on that, being looking out for that video here early in tomorrow pre-mark, guys, I will giving you my thought on EGL for tomorrow. Next pack we are gonna talk about here in today video, and that is HLBC BCA LBS gases. Now he'll be SDS a huge volatile today pre-markets, showing a huge risk to the upside, that $79, and ultimately right at the open we saw huge movement of downside. We are going to look at that low of that $36 today, low coming in $4 thought fee, but we are just gonna see. I do see he'll be actually seeing another breakout here pretty soon, which is more than likely going to push us past that 230. If you are in, he'll be, as let me know in the comment section below what is your expectation for this play at the end of the week. I do see the stock actually surprising that 239 for sure, but if you take a break, if you take a brief look and check out again, I want to look at the interpretation of indicator and check out that 1 minute no obvious signal here. And if you take a brief look, check out this 15-minute chart. As you can see, guys, always do you take that nice drop, but looking here in the aftermarket hour, we do see this with the nice gap which can point, and this is pointing to continuation of downtrend. So guys, if you are new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and make sure you have all post notifications set to. Also, you will be alert each and every time I create one of these videos made the games with you. Thank you.